Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please feel free to share, and if find my video helpful, please give a thumb like. And if you have any question, please feel free to drop your comments. On today's video, we are talking about username from WhatsApp. In the username, this is on Monday. Yeah, you can see WhatsApp makes an announcement of username. Instead of you dropping your phone number, the usefulness of this username is that if you have someone you want to give your contact to, as in person you want someone to reach out to you on WhatsApp, instead of you dropping your phone number, you won't drop phone number. You only give your username, like the name of my. I want to show you how you can secure a username. You can see the announcements here. Say username are coming to WhatsApp. 2-time world heavyweight champion Anthony Joshua just reserved his username on WhatsApp. Get ready, your turn is coming. So let me play the video from the WhatsApp so you can see the real Anthony Joshua they are talking about. Sorry.
WhatsApp has usernames now?
Yeah, you don't even need to give out your number now if you don't want to.
Too big to give out your number, is that it? What are you going to make yours?
That's a real Anthony Joshua. I need something more low-key.
Oh, so it's a privacy thing?
Yeah.
You could spell your name backwards.
Mama's boy. Where is she?
I've got a reputation.
So you can see the real Anthony Joshua has changed his WhatsApp.
Username.
WhatsApp has usernames now?
Yeah, you don't even need to give out your number now if you don't want to.
Too big to give.
So he changed instead of giving out a WhatsApp number, you turn it to username. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So firstly, you head down to your settings. Here. Let me start from the chat. So you head out to settings here. Settings. So you can see settings. So sorry about that. I just have to attempt one or two things. So now settings. Then you head down to accounts here. Head down to accounts here. Click on the accounts. Then from there you see your account username as username. So I choose username. Then I'll use I don't want to use Physinews, Physinews.1, which is showing here on my Facebook. I don't want to use that because I don't want any number attached to my name. So I'll click create username. If you already link your Facebook to your WhatsApp, it will surely show you this. So I'm clicking on create username. I choose it, then I put at Physinews. Sorry. Okay, this username is only available on WhatsApp Business. Fine. Get started. So meaning I already use this on my WhatsApp Business. So now let me change it to VCN. It's still part of my media. I already use that on my WhatsApp Business. So let me change the VCN. And yes, then I save. So you reserve VCN. So Physinews is already used on my business WhatsApp. So that is the reason why I couldn't reserve that name. So go and reserve yours. If you have any further question, please feel free to drop your comment. See you on my next video. If you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, please follow. Check the description of this video to follow the WhatsApp channel. We drop how you can get latest updates on crypto. You can see today we drop something about Syndra, then we drop something about Arishin. So for people asking about Arishin listing, Arishin will never list. If you have the app, go and uninstall the airdrop is waste of time. So Arishin will never list. So all those information you'll find it on the channel. The one that won't be able to drop on our YouTube channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you. Bye.